this video, we're going to talk about elasticity. And when I say elasticity, I mean more at a graduate or MBA level. This is different than doing elasticity more at an undergraduate or an introductory level. So remember, elasticity in very broad terms is the percentage change in quantity or sales, or the amount purchased, divided by the percentage change in price. We take the absolute value of the resulting number. If the absolute value is less than 1, we would say demand is inelastic. If that absolute value is equal to 1, we would say it is unitary elastic. And if that absolute value is greater than 1, demand is elastic. And when I say I missed that, it should be to 1. I missed that. So, in a graduate sort of level, we do this using derivatives. So we take the derivative of the demand function with respect to price and then multiply that by P times Q. The nice thing about elasticity, if you can do one, you can do any of them. What I mean by that is, if you, for example, were to do population elasticity, just replace P with pop for population. If you were to do, say, advertising elasticity, you'd replace population with advertising, and so on. So, back to regular old price elasticity, which is this stuff here. This assumes that you have a demand function. Let's just suppose the demand is 100 minus 0.57Q. It could be a fraction, it can be a decimal, whatever the case may be. And furthermore, you know this company charges, let's just say $50, and they typically sell 350 units of the good or service. So, using our rules of derivatives, the derivative of that demand function, the derivative of 100 is 0, constant times a variable, we keep the constant, so minus 0.57. Put it all together, and we would get minus 0.57 times P, which is 50, over Q, which is 350. Do that math, getting my calculator out here, and this would be .08, actually negative 0.0814. And since that absolute value is less than 1, demand in this case would be inelastic. Now we can talk in future videos about what you do with this number and whether or not that number being a good or bad number, we'll talk about that in